guess which roaster will not fit in that oven? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, whenever you might be watching my video. Shalom, shalom. I finally picked up a thermometer, an oven thermometer today. I was at Wally World and I picked it up. So, we are going to try it. And trying it, I'm going to bake a chicken at the same time. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my oven to 400 degrees. Let me get it. 400. Is that 400? Yeah. Okay. I'm going to put this in there. Right there. And then I'm going to put my chicken in. Oh, it just came on. Now, since a chicken, you know, it's not like 30 minutes and that's it. We're going to see how that goes. And I'm going to set my timer for 30 minutes. We'll come back in 30 minutes and see what that temperature gauge says. Now, I did, yeah, 400. Okay, so we'll be back. Okay, folks, my trusty timer went off. So, I'm going to have to do this real quick, where I'm going to open up the door, and so you may not be in focus, because I can't walk and chew gum at the same time, but I want to see what that temperature says. So, let's see. Okay, the temperature, I don't know if you can see it, but it's saying about 425, and I've got it set, could be on 400. My stove is running hot, or it could be that the oven thermometer is not right. So, since that's a chicken, I'm going to set my timer here for another 30 minutes, and we'll come back and check it. I like about 8 minutes before the alarm goes off for the next 30 minutes. But I'm going to check this, and let's see what we got now. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but it's the same. I've got 400 there. I've got 425 there. So now, since this is chicken, I can do this. I put it on 350, and I'm going to check one more time. I'm going to reset my alarm for 30 minutes, and I'm going to check it and see what it does then. So I'll bring you back. Okay, my timer is getting ready to go off just like 5 minutes. So let's see how it did on 350. And it looks like it's about 25 degrees. Oh, no. Yeah, about 25 degrees. So, I think it's the oven. It doesn't matter. 25 degrees, I can live with that. Now, if we were getting like 100 or 75 or something, I'd be a little worried. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my chicken out of the oven, and I'm going to oven cover it and see what it looks like. So let's see how this chicken looks. It's been in the oven for about an hour and a half. Oh, looks good. Oh, look at all the juice down there. I didn't mean to get all that juice, but I guess I did. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back in the oven without the lid, so it loses some of that juice, and so that the skin crisps up. And I guess I'll bring you back. No, I guess I won't. This video was to do the oven thermometer here. I did it. I'm satisfied. I'm 25 degrees. I'm running 25 degrees hot. Good enough for me. I can deal with it. So, in a little bit here, I'll be eating some good chicken. And I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching. Shalom, shalom. Goodbye.